I might have had a heat stroke at my favorite garden center. That's the only explanation that I can think of as to what happened. I've been to this garden center before. I love it. Danny has been with me, and he was with me this time. He was smart enough to stay in the car with the air conditioner. I got out and went in greenhouse after greenhouse after greenhouse, where it was no less than 120 degrees in every greenhouse. I didn't even have any water. I didn't have a game plan when I went to the garden center. I had no idea of what I wanted to buy. I had no idea where I was going to put anything that I did buy. I still don't know. All I know is that when I got to the checkout counter, I had 2 carts jam full of plants. There's no way all that was getting in the car to come home with me. So I kind of found my bearings, and I decided to put 1 load of the stuff back. That still left me with 1 plus buggy full of beautiful plants. Danny did come and check on me a couple of times to make sure that I had not passed out, I guess. I don't think he saw the 2 buggies of plants that I had collected though. When I made my way back to the car, where Danny had it running and the air conditioner going, thank goodness, he looked at my buggy plus of plants and said, "Are we taking all this home? What are you going to do with all this?" I said, "Yes, we're taking all this home. I didn't just withstand all this heat for nothing. Look at my face." It was as red as this. You'll see it in the video. But sitting here today, looking at all my beautiful plants that I got, I'd do it again. It was a fun day, heat and all. I can't wait to show y'all what I got. Hey y'all. Today I'm at my favorite nursery ever. It's called Homestead Nursery. It's in Coldwater, Mississippi, and it is about an hour and a half away from my house in Carrollton, Mississippi. This nursery is north of us. The other day we went to Lowe's in Madison, Mississippi, and that is an hour and a half south of us. So we're just an hour and a half from all the good nurseries. And they have everything. They have greenhouse after greenhouse after greenhouse full of all kinds of goodness and wonderful things. They also have a shrub lot over there where they have any kind of shrub that you want, pretty much. They have, well, they just have everything. They have trees. They have all kinds of Japanese maples. They have crepe myrtles. They have evergreen trees. They have hollies. They just have everything. So even though I don't buy a lot of that, I love to come and look at it. And some of y'all might like to do that too. So I'm going to take you around this nursery today and just video different clips of the things that they have. And you never know, I might buy a little something for myself too. But it's very hot today. It's probably 90 degrees, and the humidity, I'm sure, is in the 70+%. But my phone will probably overheat, so we'll see what I'm able to get. I am in the house plant greenhouse. Look at these orchids. Are these not beautiful? Look there. It's like 91 degrees and about 73% humidity. Probably hotter than that in this greenhouse, so I'm pretty sure that my phone is going to overheat. But I'm going to get as much as I can. Ooh, look at these bromeliads. Those are pretty. Ooh, I'm always drawn to this. This is called colocasia. Alocasia. Alocasia poly is what this one is. I'll show you the tag. I just think those are so different and striking. All the way back there. Oh, they have peace lilies over there. They just have everything. They have everything. I can't tell you everything they have because they have so much. Ooh, look at this. This is some kind of a fern, I know. Ooh. Look at this. Isn't this interesting? Color and the texture. It's a Rex begonia. $15. Here's that fern again. Bird nest fern, $13. I mean, this place has good prices, y'all. Okay, I gotta get out of this house. It's too hot. My phone's about to overheat. I told y'all that somewhere down the line, I started loving caladiums. Well, here they are. And let me tell you, this place has really good prices. Like this right here. Let me put it down so I can show you. Ooh. That one in a pot that big, $6. Yeah, I'm gonna get some caladiums today. Does it look like a jungle in here or what? And it's gotta be 150 degrees. Oh, I love that evolvulus. And the pentas. Ooh, those are pretty. I think the heat got to me. And I think I lost my mind. Anyway, look at all of this gorgeousness. Speedwell, hyssop. I think that's what that is. Pentas, Angelonia. Look at the caladiums. I told y'all I was in love with them. I got 4 flats of vincas. I got this lantana. That's a car full of plants right there. I love it. Don't you, Danny?
Love it. Love it.
I think it must have been, how hot do you think it was in those greenhouses?
It was hot. Humid.
I think it felt like it was 150 degrees in those greenhouses with the humidity. Oh my gosh. But I got so many pretty things and I am so excited to get them planted and potted up. Oh, and thank the Lord for air conditioner. Let me cut this up. Full blast, baby. All right, let's go home.
Let's go.
We made it home. It's a new day. It's perfect outside right now. I'm standing in the shade. There's a little bit of a breeze blowing. Not too shabby for Mississippi in July. But let me show you the things that I got at Homestead Nursery day before yesterday. And can I just tell you, well, I'll tell you in a minute when I show you. Okay, enough about that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all what I bought. It's like Christmas morning. Just look at all this beauty. So pretty. Okay, let me tell you what I bought. Okay, I bought this flat of vinca and that flat of vinca. They're both white. Is there there's a tag in here. This is the Pacifica Pure White vinca. And I love white vinca with the green foliage because one of the go-tos is green and white is always right. You can't go wrong with green and white. So I got 2 flats of those. I got 2 flats of this hot pink color. So 2 flats of those. And a flat of Vinca is $17.50. Now that is a bargain. I bought this flat of different things. I kind of did a mix and match with this flat. The containers are this size. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 15 plants in this flat. And I put the pricing chart up right here because a flat of plants this size, if you buy a whole flat, I think it's around $40. And so I got plants that work well in high heat, that love it hot, hot, hot. Because summertime in Mississippi is hot, hot, hot. So these plants are perfect for July, August, September. I totally expect these plants to thrive in this kind of weather. Let me show you what is in this flat. I bought 4 of these. These are pentas. They can take hot weather, full sun. They just thrive. They're annuals, but they're really, really good annuals for hot, hot climates. So I got 4 of these hot pink pentas. I got 6 of the white pentas. And then to complete this flat out, I got 5 of these purple Angelonia plants. I have containers that I'm going to put all of these in, but I think that they will just be beautiful. And I'll be able to enjoy these all the way through frost, which will be in November here in Mississippi. Do y'all remember me telling y'all in my Lowe's Garden Center tour when I bought a few things on the discount rack there, saying how much I had grown to love caladiums? Well, I didn't buy any there that day because I was kind of thinking in the back of my mind that I might be going to Homestead Nursery in the next few days, and they have really good prices on their caladiums. Look behind me there. These caladiums, they don't have names. They're not branded. I guess they're just some generic types of caladiums, but they are beautiful and so healthy and huge. And a pot this size, and look how big this plant is, $6. $6 is all that was. So I loaded up on the caladiums. I don't know where I'm going to put them. I have something in mind. And if I can remember before we get a frost, I can take these caladium corms and store them and plant them next year. I've never thought to do that before. But y'all remind me, and maybe I'll be able to think enough in advance to get that prepared for next year. This is Veronica, and I love that blue color. Some people call it lavender, but in the horticulture world, they call that blue. And guess how much that was? It's a perennial Veronica. $7. $7. And then I got one of these. I've always wanted one of these. This is Anise Hyssop Blue Fortune Agastache or Agastache. I would really like to have a lot of those, but they didn't have a lot of them. That might have been the only one that they had. And it was $7 in that pot. And I bought lantana. I have 2 different kinds. I have, I think, 6 of these confetti lantana. And sometimes these will come back for me. Like I have lantana that has come back year after year. And it's this one right here, I do believe. It gets huge. I'll show it to you in a minute. So I have 6 of those. And then I have 2 of these. And it's called radiation lantana. And I really don't know why I got 6 and 2. Like I said, I think I overheated in that greenhouse and kind of lost my mind, and I didn't know what I was doing by the time I left. But I'm just really pleased with everything that I got. Yeah, that confetti cotton candy, the confetti lantana that I bought 6 of, oh my gosh. This is one right here. And do you see how far and wide it stretches out? I mean, it's all up in the top of my gardenia right there. I mean, this is huge. It comes back every year. The pollinators love it. In the early spring, I cut it back to a nub. And this is the 20th of July. And look how huge it is now. And I bought 6 of them. I'm not going to have anything but a big old lantana confetti yard. But that'll be okay too. Well, that was my homestead nursery haul. Now all I have to do is get it all planted. I could use a little help. So if y'all want to come on down here to Mississippi and help me get all this stuff put in the ground, I would appreciate it. So leave me a comment if you want to come on down here and help me. I'm just kidding. I'll eventually get it all put out. And although I'm sweating right now, my yard is going to be so pretty. I cannot wait to give y'all a garden tour. So until then, bye-bye. And I told Danny, well, it must have been the heat, because there's no way I would have picked up all these plants if I had been in my right mind.